Yes, dear students, welcome to Diamond Group of Institution. So myself, Mr. Shivkumar sir, I am a senior mathematics teacher in the Diamond Group of Institution, dear students. So this is the fifth period, dear students, fifth class. Already previous class I explained to you general nth term of the sixth example question I taught you, dear students. Now we are going to the seventh question. So dear students, already we know that the nth term of the AP is what? An is equal to a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d is there. Okay, this is the identity, dear students. So we studied the example number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 also we studied. Now we are going to the example number 7, dear students. Okay, so how many 2-digit numbers are there? Those are divisible by 3. That is the question. Okay, 2-digit नंबर्स कितने हैं, 2 डिजिट कितने नंबर्स है, वो सभी 3 से डिविजिबल होने वाले 2 डिजिट के कितने नंबर्स है बोल के पूछ रहा है, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, लेट अस चेक. ऑलरेडी वी नो दैट द स्मॉलेस्ट 2 डिजिट नंबर, 2 डिजिट number is equal to 10. Okay, so next greatest 2 digit number is equal to 99. Okay, greatest 2 digit number is 99 and the smallest 2 digit number is 10. But what is the question? How many 2 digit numbers are डिवाइडेड बाय 3 से डिविजिबल होने वाले नंबर पूछ रहा है. सो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज 10, सो 11 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3. सो 12 आल्सो 12 इज डिविजिबल बाय व्हाट 3. सो फर्स्ट नंबर इज व्हाट 12 इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 से डिविजिबल होने वाले फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट नंबर कौन सा है? 12 है. व्हेन वी आर एडिंग द 3 it is become 50. Next it is become 18. So on 99 also divisible by what? Divisible by 3, dear students. Okay, let us, we will take here another formula is there. What is that? So here a value equal to 3 you take, and a common difference already we know that is 3, and an is equal to what? 99, and n we are finding n is equal to question mark, dear students. Okay, a is first term is 12, common difference is t2 minus t1, a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2. The difference is what? 3. Here also 3, dear students. Now use the formula here. What is that? A plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d is equal to a n, dear students. Okay, now substitute the value here. A value is 3 plus n minus 1 bracket close, common difference is 3, here is 99. So next step, here multiplication is there. 3 into n is equal to 3n, minus 3 is equal to 99. This plus 3 is transfer this side, that is become minus 3. So next step, this minus 3 both are get cancelled. Next term come to here, n is equal to 99 upon the multiplication 3n is there, no? So that is become here division, that is 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. So therefore number of terms is equal to 33, dear students. Okay, let us see once again. So here what is the question? Example number 7 is there. How many 2 digit numbers are divided by 3? That is the question. So dear students, first of all we should be taking the smallest 2 digit number is equal to 10 and greatest 2 digit number is equal to 99. But the 10 is not divisible by 3. So which number is divisible by 3? That is, we should be first of all we take it. So 12. So 10 after the 10, 11 is there. 11 is not divisible by 3. So 12 is divisible by 3. When we are adding the 3, 12 is become 15, 15 is become 18, so on. The greatest two digit number is 99, 99 is divisible by 3, dear students. So that's why the first term is 3 and the common difference means a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, we got the common difference 3, and the last term, a nth term is equal to 99, we are finding the n is equal to question mark, dear students. So next term, a plus, identity is there, a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d is equal to an, substitute the value, sorry, I did the here wrong, dear students. A equal to, sorry dear students, a is equal to what? A is equal to first term is 12 is there, and here 12 as it is plus 3 into n is equal to 3n minus 3 is equal to 99, dear students. So first term is 12, so n as it is 3 is there. Next step, here 3n plus 12 minus 3. We got answer here plus 9 is equal to 99. One more time, dear students. Here 12 is there, 3 into n, 3n, minus into plus minus 3 ones are 3, dear students. I did here previously, I did the mistake. So 12 as it is, here 3n minus 3 is equal to 99, plus 12 minus 3 is equal to, answer we got plus 9. Okay, so 3n plus 9 is equal to 99. Come to here, so 3n is equal to 99 minus 9, dear students. Okay, here plus 9, it is become minus 9. Next, n is equal to here 90 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, here 0. So number of term is equal to how many? 30, dear students. I thought you understood very well. So dear students, a equal to 3. Here a equal to, dear students, or here a equal to 12. Common difference is 3. A is equal to 99. N is equal to question mark, we are finding. A value is 12 and plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close. Common difference is 3 is equal to 99 is there. So 12 as it is, 3 into n equal to 3n, minus into plus is equal to minus 3 into 1 equal to 3. Here is equal to 99. Next step, so 3n plus 12 minus 3 is equal to plus 9 is equal to 99. 3n plus 9 is equal to 99 is there. So 3n is equal to 99. This plus 9 is become minus 9. So 99 minus 9 is equal to 90. So this 3 is become a division. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. N is equal to what? 30, dear students. I thought you understood very well. Next we will go to the next example question, dear students. Okay. Yes, dear students. I explained to you example number up to example number 7. So example number 8, example number 9, example number 10, dear students, you will do the homework. So now let us come to the exercise 1.2, dear students. In the exercise 1.2, first bit, what is the first bit? Fill in the blanks in the following tables. Given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and A is the nth term of an AP, find the fill in the blanks. ऐसे पूछा गया है. Here this is the A, this is the D, N and A and given. So here first question, this is the second question, this is third question, this is the fourth question, and here 5 questions is there. In this bit, first bit, fill in the blanks are there. So in those fill in the blanks, we should be find out the value. क्या क्या गैप दिया है वो हम फाइंड आउट करते जाना, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, फर्स्ट बीट के अंदर 5 क्वेश्चन है. उसके अंदर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के अंदर ए एन पूछा है, सेकंड क्वेश्चन के अंदर कॉमन डिफरेंस पूछा है, थर्ड क्वेश्चन के अंदर फर्स्ट टर्म पूछा है और फोर्थ क्वेश्चन के अंदर एन पूछा है और फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन के अंदर ए एन पूछा है. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वन बाय वन we should be do the solution. So remaining previously 3 example questions are there. Those 3 questions you will do the homework, dear students. Okay, let us come to the first question I am taking here. First question is what? A equal to is given 7, dear students, and common difference is equal to 3 and n is equal to 8 is there, dear students. An is equal to question mark. Okay, n is equal to question mark. Dear students, here solution. Already we know that what formula is there. An is equal to a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d. So now here a value is 7 plus n minus 1 is there, no. So n value is 8 is there. So 8 minus 1 bracket close. Common difference is 3. So next step, here 7 plus here is 7 into 3. 7 into 3. So here 7 plus 7 3 is 21. So an is equal to, therefore an is equal to 28, dear students. Okay. First question answer we got here. A value is what? 28. One more time, dear students. Look at the board. A is equal to 7. Common difference is equal to 3. N is equal to 8. N is equal to question mark. So formula is that An is equal to A plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close D is there. So substitute the value. A value is 7 plus in the bracket 8 minus 1 bracket close 3. So 7 plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Here 3 is there. 7 3 is 21. This 7 is as it is. We got here 28, dear students. I thought this is the right answer. We can check the back side. 1.3 exercise. 1.3 exercise. 1.3 exercise. N is equal to, we got here 28. I thought you understood, dear students. Once again, An is equal to A plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close D. A value is 7 plus in the bracket 8 minus 1 bracket close 3. This 7 as it is plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 7 3 is 21. So 7 plus 21 is equal to 28, dear students. So that's why An we got 28, dear students. Okay. I thought you understood the first question. Okay, let us go to the second question, dear students. Okay, we can go. So let us go to the second question. Second question is what is given. First of all, we should be taking the values. A value equal to is given minus 18, and common difference we are finding, that is question mark, and n is equal to is given, that is the 10, and an also is given, an equal to 0, dear students. Okay, so let us go to the next step here, solution, dear students. An already given now, that's why a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close b is equal to an. I wrote formula like that. So next step, a is minus 18 plus n value we know that is 10 minus 1, and the common difference we are finding an equal to we got 0. Next, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Dear students, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 9 into d is equal to 9d. Here 0. This minus 18 translate the side, that will become plus 18. Now common difference is equal to 18 by 9, dear students. 18 by 9. Now here 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. Means common difference we got here, dear students, 2. Common difference हमको कितना आया? 2 आया, dear students. The common difference is equal to 2. I thought you understood, dear students. First question, an he asked, an value is 28. Second question is what? He asked here the common difference. We got like that. So one more time repeat, dear students. What here? So second question value is what? A is equal to minus 18. Common difference we are finding. N is equal to 10. An we are finding. N equal to 0. Next, a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close b is equal to an is there. Substitute the value. A value is minus 18 plus as it is, n value is 10 minus 1, common difference as it is equal to an equal to is given. So 0, that's why I wrote there only. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 9 into d is equal to 9d is equal to 0 as it is. Plus 18 is transferred that side. That is minus 18 is transferred that side. That is become what? Plus 18. Now b as it is. 0 plus 18 equal to 18. This multiplication is become division. 9 into 9, 9 to the 18. So common difference is equal to we got here, dear students, 2. Okay. Let us go to the third question. Okay. I thought you understood, dear students, second question. And now I am cleaning this one second question. Now we are going to the third question. In the third question, he asked here a value. Okay. First term he asking. So let us see. Question number 3 is there. A equal to, question number 3, a equal to, he is asking a equal to question mark and common difference is equal to minus 3 and n equal to 18 is there and an is equal to given here minus 5. Okay, we are find out here common a first term we are find out. So solution here a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close common difference b is equal to an. Substitute the value a we are find out plus n value is 18 minus 1 bracket close common difference is minus 3 and here minus 5. A as it is n value is 18 minus 1 common difference is minus 3. Next step a plus 18 minus 1 is equal to 17 into minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So next step here a plus into minus 73 are 51 is equal to minus 5. Plus into minus 3 7s are 21 carry 2 3 1s are 3 4 5 51. Now a is equal to minus 5 as it is minus 51 is transferred that side that is become plus 51 dear students. Now a is equal to 46. So plus this is become when we are doing the subtraction 51 minus 5. Now it is become 11. It is become 4. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6 and 4. Answer we got here. First term is what? First term is 46 dear students. First term is 46. First term is 46. Once again dear students, look at the board. We are finding in this third question we are finding first term dear students. So look at a is equal to question mark, common difference is minus 3, n is equal to 18, an is equal to minus 5 dear students. Okay, write the formula a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close b is equal to an. So a plus in the bracket 18 minus 1, so n is 18 minus 1, here minus 3 is there is equal to minus 5. A as it is 18 minus 1 is equal to 17 plus into minus 17 3 are 51 is equal to minus 5. So a as it is minus 5 minus 51 is transferred that side that is become plus 51. Now we got here a value is 46 dear students. I thought you understood very well. So I explained to you this bit. 3 questions I explained. First question I taught you. Second question also I taught you. Third question I taught you. So next fourth and fifth these 2 questions we will do the homework dear students. Okay, these 2 questions we will do the homework. So remaining questions I will explain. So if you are getting the confused here, you can ask to me. I will clarify your doubt. I thought you understood very well. First question, second question, and third question, dear students. Fourth and fifth question, we will do the homework. Okay, let's go to the next bit, dear students. Okay. Yes, dear students. First question we completed. In the first bit, I give the 5 questions. I explained to you 3 questions, dear students. Now we remaining 2 questions are given for homework. Now come to the second question. Second question is what? In the second question having the 2 questions are there. So first one is what? Choose the correct choice. Correct options is there, multiple MCQ question is there. So what is the question? 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4 so on is there. He is asking 30th term. Means so 30th term क्या है बोल के पूछ रहा है. So dear students, here a is equal to, in this term you take it first term equal to 10. We are finding out a common difference a2 minus a1. So a2 is 7 minus 10. We got here minus 3. Common difference is 3. And we are finding out n is equal to 30 and a30 is equal to question mark. One more time dear students. Take the values in this sequence, in the series, in the list of the AP. First term is 10. Common difference is a2 minus a1 means 7 minus 10. We got here minus 3 dear students. n equal to he is given. We are finding the 30th term. That's why n equal to 30. A30 is equal to question mark, dear students. Okay. Now write the one time formula. An is equal to a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close b. So next step here, a 30th term, a 30 is equal to here a value is 10 and plus n we are finding, that is n 30 we are finding now. 30 minus 1, common difference is minus 3. Next step here, a 30th term is equal to 10 as it is and plus, look at plus into minus, 30 minus 1 is equal to 29. 29 3s are here, 29, 30 minus 9 1 is equal to 29. So plus into minus, 29 3s are 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 2 is 6, 7 8. We got here 87, dear students. Next step, look at a 30. Therefore, a 30th term is equal to plus 10 minus 87 is equal to, we got minus 77. I thought you understood very well, dear students. What? So 30th term, the given sequence, the 30th term is equal to minus 77. So which option is our answer? Our answer is, this is C options, that is minus 77. Once again, dear students, once again I thought you understood very well. So once again, look at the board. Choose the correct choice. 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4, so on is there. So now options is given 97, 77, minus 77, minus 87 is there. So A is equal to 10. Common difference is equal to A2 minus A1. 7 minus 10 is equal to, we got minus 3. N is equal to 30. A 30 equal to question mark, dear students. So formula is that An is equal to a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close b. So a 30th term is equal to a is 10 plus in the bracket 30 minus 1 bracket close minus 3. Next a 30th term equal to 10 as it is. We got here plus 29. Plus into minus, minus 29 3s are 87. Next step plus into minus is equal to minus, plus 10 minus 87 is equal to, we got here minus 77, dear students. Means which options is correct here? C options is correct. Okay, I thought you understood very well. So similarly, we should find out the second question. Okay, let us go to the second bit, second question, dear students. Yes, dear students, second bit, choose the correct choice. In this second bit, second question we are going here. So 11th term of the AP is given here only. So minus 3, minus 1 by 2 and 2 so on is there. So options is given here plus 28, plus 22, minus 38, minus 48 integer 1 by 2 is given, dear students. Okay. So now look at your solution. Here one more time I am writing here minus 3, comma, minus 1 upon 2, comma, here 2 is there and so on. Now we are taking the values. A value equal to minus 3, dear students, and common difference is equal to minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 is there. So what I do here? So this is the term 2 minus term 1, minus 1 upon 2 minus in the bracket minus 3 is there. So similarly here, so minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 upon 1 is there. Okay. Next here I am doing. So 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1, plus into plus is equal to plus, 2 3s are 6 upon 2 1s are 2, dear students. Next to minus 1 plus 6 is equal to answer plus 5 by 2. This is the common difference, dear students. Next already we know that n is equal to, we are finding 11 and a 11th term is equal to question mark, dear students. Okay, let us see. Here formula is that an is equal to a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close b. Now we are finding the a 11th term is equal to a value is minus 3 plus 11 is there now. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10 and in the bracket 5 by 2. Common difference is 5 by 2, dear students. Okay. Next step here, so minus 3 as it is, 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10, 5 5 are 25, which 25 plus 25. Next answer, a 11th term is equal to here minus 3 minus 25 is sorry minus 3 plus 25 is equal to answer is 22, dear students. I thought you understood very well. Dear students, look at the board one more time. What is the sequence? What is the list of the 80? Minus 3, comma, minus 1 by 2 and 2 so on in there. First of all you take the value. First term is minus 3. Common difference is T2 minus T1. Yeah, A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 upon 2 is there. Minus sign. This is minus 3 as it is. Minus 1 upon 2 as it is. Minus 2 minus equal to plus 3 by 1 is there. 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 6 is equal to answer is plus 5 by 2, dear students. And n is equal to, we are finding which one? 11th term, dear students. A 11th term is equal to question mark. Now formula is there. A n is equal to a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d is there. So a11 is equal to minus 3 plus n minus 1 means 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Common difference is 5 by 2 is there. So minus 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Minus 3 plus 25 is equal to, we got here answer 22, dear students. Means which options is right here? B options is correct answer, dear students. I thought you understood the second question. I thought you understood the second question. The given list is like that is there. So solution is step by step I did here only, dear students. The A11th term equal to 22, dear students. I thought you understood first question, second question. Today we started the exercise 1.2, dear students. In the 1.2 exercise, so first bit I explained to you. Then in the first bit having the 5 questions. In those 5 questions I explained to the 3 questions. Remaining 2 questions I left for homework. Those 2 questions you will do the homework, dear students. Afterwards we came to the second bit. Second bit having the 2 multiple choice questions are there. First question also explained and second question also explained to you, dear students. Now we are going to the third bit. That third bit we will start the next period, dear students. Next class we will start. Today we completed the 5th period, dear students. 6th period we will start the 6th class. We will start the which one? Beat number 3. So beat number 3 is very important is that the missing numbers we should be find out. There is the very some twist is that when you have understood that this is a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 bracket close d. This formula we can use and properly. They will give the some mix confusion. उसमें थोड़ा twist करके देता है. और twist करे सो क्या करना चाहिए आप? हम अच्छी तरह समझ लिए तो हम क्या करना करने के समझ लेने के बाद इस 1 by 1 सॉल्यूशन करने के लिए आता है, dear students. Okay, so I thought you understood. So anywhere in this solution also, previous question also, any questions you are getting confusions, you will call to me. I will clarify your doubt, dear students. Okay, let us see the tomorrow next period, dear students. Okay, thank you, Ananda.